Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome back to my channel Nruthyamrutha. I'm Amrutha Sankar. If you're new to my channel, please check down the description box below to find the previous videos links as well as the social media links. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. So the hands for the step are, we put our hands straight to our chest where the shoulder and the elbow is in a straight line. We go as Tei, Ta, Kitta, Takka. For this step, we stretch our hand, we move it in and out as Tei, Ta, Kitta, Takka. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, Ta, Kitta, Takka. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here I am moving my hand in and out, in and out. We are doing the shoulder movement, don't move the hands. We just move the shoulder in and out. Same way on the left side as in and out. So let's see the legs. Ta, kita, taka. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, ta, kita, taka. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, kita, taka. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, ta, kita, taka. 1, 2, 3, 4. So for the whole step we go as Ta, kita, taka. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, ta, kita, taka. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, kita, taka. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, ta, kita, taka. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you have liked this video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell button so that you get notified when I'll be uploading a video.